Hi, this is Dennis Tabagari, Service Manager here at Midtown Honda. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 best ways to improve your car engine performance. What is it that keeps your vehicle running well? The engine, of course. You can take all the routine precautions, but your vehicle's engine will still need to be in the best condition for a smooth driving experience. Why is it crucial to keep a regular check on the car's engine? Basically, an engine is in good health means that your other systems will also work well. But how can you make your engine work even better? There are 5 ways that you can help your engine. First, use the right lubricant. Using a synthetic lubricant designed to make the engine work better is your best option. With this choice, the synthetic will diminish friction, enabling the engine to move smoothly. Second, regular checkups of ignition systems will help keep an eye on things. While most of the ignition systems are low maintenance, it doesn't mean that they don't need any maintenance. For example, the spark plugs need to be checked, cleaned, or changed. If they are maintained, your engine will have more power. And third, increase engine compression. If you increase the compression in your engine, you will build horsepower. However, this is best adjusted by someone who really understands compression because it is a balance of systems. If compression is out of balance with other elements, it can actually make your engine less powerful. Fourth suggestion, use a velocity stack for improved airflow. If you have better air control, your horsepower will increase. This is a fairly simple adjustment that you can actually make by yourself. And lastly, the use of a good cylinder head. This is another way to increase your engine's power. When making your choice, focus on the valve, port size, and flow rate. These are some of the ways that you can help keep your engine running smoothly, as well as giving yourself some extra power. If you have any questions, visit our website, midtownhonda.com, or give us a call. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.